Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Good morning to each and every one of you. So today I decided to share with you, I have a patient that has a leg cancer, but thank God he's been healing. And to the glory of God, I feel so blessed to say, yes, I love my job. I love my job so very, very much. So very, very much. So today I'm going to be treating him. I just want to share with you the things you can do if you have any patient, or you have any old father or old mother or auntie or any family friend that has cancer of the leg, the things you need to use and how you need to go about it. I just want to share with you. Okay, if it's interesting, please click the like button and turn on your notification bell, so anytime I upload videos you will be the first to get notified. I have wonderful videos on my platform. Please go and check it out, and please subscribe if you haven't done so. Thank you all for all your love and support. I love you all. Bless you. We are still in the month of October, still appreciating God for the survivors of for as many who have survived cancer, whether cancer of the leg, whether cancer of the breast, whether cancer of the hand, cancer of the head, whatever cancer patient. We are celebrating all of you in this very month of October, and we'll continue to celebrate your survivor. I will continue to support as many that has one situation or the other, that is one disease or the other. God will help us to do his will and do his will for humanity's sake. Thank you all, and God bless you. Let's get right into the video. So it's on the healing process. That's why it's looking this clean. Otherwise, before now, it was very huge and very ugly. You can't even look at it. But thank God it's healing. I'm just going to show you the items that I usually use for this cleaning. In case you have anyone who needs help. On this table here, I have hydroperoxide. I use this, and I use this also to massage because of pains. I use this to clean. Just showing you, and
yes, that's the one.
Yes, that's the one, and I sprayed this on it.
That's it.
Yeah, and it's been helpful. So I'm going to also use this to treat his hand, because he has some issue on his skin. His skin is tearing up, and I use this. I applied this, and then I put this just because I want a lighter band-aid, so that it doesn't get moist inside. You need lighter bandage.
Give me the medicine, I can spray it.
I'll get it, baby. And then I'll apply this so that it will be getting some air in and dry up. So I have some cotton wool here. I'll show you what I'm about to do. Here I have hydroperoxide. I'm just going to dip it in here. What I'm doing, guys. Let's clean this up, okay? So you're just going to clean the side like this. So you're going to clean it, be gentle about it, so that he doesn't scream. He likes to scream. So
let me spray it.
It's okay, sweetheart. Let me wipe it down. Remember, we have to wipe this down first, okay? I'm going to get another one. I'll get another one. I'll dip it in here. Okay. And then I'll place it here, because I want it to clean up the surface. Look at that.
Let me spray it.
It's okay, darling. So guys, you know they act like babies. My patient is 96 years old. He's always acting like baby. He talks about everything you're doing. So
let me spray it, please.
It's okay, sweetie. I'm going to spray it, baby. I just want to make sure it's nicely cleaned up, okay? So I'm going to put this on the body just because of the pain. This is for pain, okay? This is not on top. This is just to help relieve the pain. You know, just gentle. Okay. So this is what I use for the body, okay? This is the one I just applied for pain relief. It helps to relieve pain. It's very sweet, guys. So I'm using this to spray. He's been asking me, where is the spray? Where is the spray? So we are going to spray this now. See? You just spray gently. Just spray that. Spray it. Spray it. This is how you go about it.
That's good.
That's good? So you just spray it on it, and that is how it stays. If it goes off, you spray it again, and that's it. This is it for...
It feels pretty good.
It feels pretty good? That's good. So still on his toes, I'm going to add this on at the tip of his toes, okay? Because of fungi. All right. That's how we do it. It goes all the way to the other toes. I'll do the same to the second. Very good. I'm going to wipe it down first. So just wipe it down. I like to make sure it's nice and clean with a clean towel. Sorry, baby.
I guess. I don't know.
Sorry. Sorry, okay? All right, we are done.
Take it down?
Yes. We are done with that. His hand. I clean this every 2 days. I'm going to take this out. He likes to scream, so I'll put this down and I'll take this out and show you. So guys, this is what it looks like. Some part is drying up. Yeah. Look at what it looks like.
Need to put bandage on that.
Yeah, I will, baby. I need to take this off. This one is gone.
That's the problem.
That's the problem here. But we're going to clean it up and put a new bandage, okay? So I'm going to dip this in hydroperoxide. I'll place it on it. It helps a lot. Just to wipe the surface.
Oh shit! It's burning like hell.
It's okay. So I'm just going to put this. This is antibiotics, and it helps when you have anything like this. So I'm going to cut some of this out, and then I'll place it on it. It has the medicine in it, and it keeps healing it. So this is it. I'm going to wrap it right around it. Put your hand down, okay?
It looks like he's got
That's
it
good.
on.
So I'm going to put this right around it, just to protect it, and then I'll use some sellotape on this. I'll show you. So I'm using the sellotape. Make sure it doesn't touch the skin or the place where...
You're not getting that on right.
Yeah, it gives it a room. I'll cut this off now. So this is what it's looking like. This is it. I'm going to use this to wrap it around, and so I'm going to sellotape it again, just to help it stay longer. Thank you, sweetheart. Teamwork makes the dream come through.
Okay.
Okay, we are done. So it's not too tight. You feel good?
Yeah.
Very good. Guys, I just showed you part of my job, okay? I just want you guys to see what we do for humanity's sake. So we are checking his weight, and after that we're going to check his temperature. What do we have? 179.2. Good. I hope you are loving my job. I love my job. I love my job. This is part of my job. It's what I do with him. Every week I have to come take care of him. So this is part of what I do. So I just want to show you guys. I just want to share with you part of my job. So I decided to share. God bless you. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Stay blessed as always. Bye. So a couple hours later, guys, I came back and I want to make dinner. So we are going to make dinner together. I'm making akidi, and I know you all have seen several of this akidi recipe on my channel. So here are my peppers. I've gone ahead to clean very well. I have onions, scotch bonnets, peppers, chili peppers, ginger, garlic, turmeric. Okay, I've gone ahead to chop my onion. I'm also going to be adding some scent leaf. So I'm adding oil to my frying pan. That's how we go with akidi. I'll allow this to toast for like 60 seconds and then I'll add the onion. Go in with the onion. Go in with your onion. I'll allow this to toast. Once it's toasting, I'm going to go ahead and blend my peppers. Once my onion is toasting, I'm just going to go ahead and blend my peppers, okay? So I decided to add some tomatoes. I like tomatoes in my beans, so I added tomatoes. I'm going to blend this. You can choose to add tomatoes. I added tatashe also. You can choose to, you can decide not to. I have turmeric, I have onion, I have garlic, I have ginger, green chili pepper, bell pepper, and I have tomatoes, okay? I went in with some cloves, and I forgot to tell you I have scotch bonnet peppers here. I'm going to blend, guys. So just feel free to skip whatever you don't want here, okay? For this beans recipe, you need a lot of onion. Fry your onion very well and allow your stew to cook well. I'm going to add it in, guys. I'll allow this to toast for about 6 to 7 minutes. So I'm going to add some crayfish. Add crayfish because with this akidi recipe, you need crayfish. Okay, I'm going to go in with some Maggi, guys. This sauce smells incredible here. The aroma of this sauce is divine, guys. I'm going to go in with my chong, which is scent leaf. Our stew is ready here. We're going to add it to the beans and it's ready. It smells divine, guys, with the crayfish, the cloves, and all the wonderful things that went in here. All the wonderful herbs. Guys, I like to clean as I go. This is so good. So yum. So yum. And here is my akidi. I love akidi, guys. If you have been following us in this very kitchen, you will know how much we love akidi. And I added some corn. Delicious, very delicious. I feel like I need to add some more oil, guys. Guys, I'm going to add this. I'm going to add the sauce. I went in to add some oil because it wasn't enough. I'm going to scoop it this way. I think I have to load the lights, guys. I have to load the lights so you can see. I hope you guys have seen this well. Let me know in the comment section if this is something you would love to try. I know you have seen this recipes a couple of times. This is a quick and easy recipe to make. I added some corn. I think I told you guys. I'll just mix this together. This is everything. Yeah, it tastes so fantastic. Tastes so wonderful. This is our beans. I allowed it to cool down. I have even eaten from it. Came out very delicious, yummy. I hope you have loved this video. If you have, give it a massive thumbs up. Gucci's team, be loving, be kind, be merciful. God loves the merciful heart. Ciao, ciao. See you in my next video. Bye bye. See you soon.